Hello everyone. Let us now discuss how can we solve this problem. So we are given with a three size of nums, right? So the size of nums is just 3. So which can form the sides of a triangle. Now a triangle is called equilateral if it has all sides of equal length. Now it is called isosceles if it has exactly two sides of equal length, right? Exactly two sides of equal length. And it is called scalene if all its sides are of different lengths. Now return a string representing the type of triangle that can be formed or none if it cannot form a triangle, right? So let us see what is the thing for returning none. So let us see it. First thing, I am taking 3 comma 3 comma 3. So if I got three sides of a triangle as equal, then I would return equilateral, right? Now if I got only 3 comma 3 and there is another side which is of unequal length, right? Only two sides are equal, then I would send like isosceles. Now isosceles. Now let us see if I have 1 comma 2 comma 3. So at this point I would send scalene. But when I need to send this none if it cannot form a triangle. Now let us see when I need to send none, right? So here I have 8, 4 and 2, right? So 8, there are no three elements. That means the three elements are not equal, so it is not an equilateral triangle. It is not an equilateral triangle. It is having no two sides are equal. So these two are not equal, these two are not equal, and these two are also not equal. So it is not even isosceles triangle. But if you see, it is, let us see whether it is a scalene triangle or not. Here I have different sizes, but I can send it as a scalene triangle, right? But it is not. Why? Why? Because this will not even form a triangle. So let us see. What are the conditions for a triangle? If A, B, C are the sides, these are the sides of a triangle, then A plus B should be greater than C, and B plus C should be greater than A, and A plus C also should be greater than B. So these are the three conditions to form a triangle. So if these three conditions does not execute, right? If A plus B is lesser than C, B plus C is lesser than or equal to. It should not be equal to 2, right? It should not be less than or equal to. If A plus B, right? If I write it like here, A plus B, if it is less than or is equal to C, and B plus C if it is less than or is equal to A, and C plus A is less than or is equal to B. So if these three, any of these three conditions are true, then we will return none. So after this condition only we will write these conditions, right? For equilateral, for isosceles, and for scale. I think for now you got the intuition. So if three sides are equal, let us see what it happens then. So A is equal to B, B is equal to C, C is equal to A, then we would return equilateral. Now if only A is equal to B and B is sorry A is sorry only if A is equal to B or B is equal to C, here ampersand, right? B is equal to C or A is equal to C, then we would return isosceles, right? Isosceles. Then if these two conditions will be failing, then we would return scalene triangle. So we would return string every time. I think you got the intuition to to solve this problem, and it is a simple problem with the conditions, right? So thank you for watching this video, and do like, share and subscribe if you like the explanation. Thank you.